In this video, I'm going to be showing you my own personal thoughts and opinions about GMSF. I think that this is the wrong one, the wrong stock. Yeah, this is the right one. Right here. Gems. So with gems, hard time frame is. Let me go to the yearly chart. I don't see nothing clear. Oh yeah, like we're straight up down. Like we're just 2015 on the 6 month chart. Even before that, 2014, we have data on the chart. Ever since then, it has been bearish with gems, Infinity Stone Ventures. Therefore, let's go like to the this chart. Go auto. Go with the luck right here. Luck. And now we can see that if I go daily chart, it's gonna get me to here. Now let's go monthly. I want to work with the monthly. I don't really like the price action right now because overall high time frame for me is bearish. But this is again all just me. Disclaimer: nothing on the channel constitutes professional and/or financial advice. So daily chart is gonna be looking more something like along these lines, looking for the liquidity to get cleared. Again, this is just my own thought and opinion. Go ahead and please read through the disclaimer.